Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Verhoeven with Facial Beauty by MD, and today we're going to talk a little bit about a fairly new product in the cosmetic world called Renuva from MTF Biologics out in Edison, New Jersey. Renuva is an off-the-shelf fat. In other words, it comes from multiple donors that have donated themselves for others for assistance with surgical procedures, bone implants, grafting. And Renuva went cosmetic probably around October, November last year, after a 5-year and 3-month study by the FDA, and found that tissue was still growing with this product, so they termed it permanent. However, my disclaimer is that people age in 5 years and they may need another syringe of touch-up depending on their age and how quickly they are in the aging process, whether they're before menopause or after menopause, male or female, and of course the big thing, genetics. However, Renuva is a fairly novel product in that it is a filler, but actually the way it works is that it develops a matrix, a scaffolding on top of your existing fat. And what it does is, according to the literature, it draws in all your own stem cells, about 10 to 15 growth factors that cause fat to grow, causes new blood vessels to feed the fat, and also causes collagen to form after about 12 weeks. So that's called adipogenesis, angiogenesis, and collagenesis. And so it depends on where we inject it. A good analogy is if you cut your leg or your face shaving, you grow that specific tissue back through platelet activation. So we get platelet activation and inflammatory response. The platelets aggregate. There are another 10 growth factors that we know in platelets to create all that new tissue. So in approximately 8 weeks, and in my practice it's about 8 to 12 weeks, we start to see results of new tissue growth. And so that will continue on and on until 5+ years. And so we do follow-ups at 6 months, a year, and every year thereafter to see how the patient is doing. So anyway, this is a great product. You can amortize this over almost 5 years cost-wise, and it becomes very inexpensive as to the total cost, comparatively speaking to other facial fillers. And so Renuva again is donor fat off the shelf. It has no cells in it, no double-stranded DNA. It's completely safe and FDA approved.